Yes, today we are going to be baking Daddy Father's Day cake. And this is the special kind German chocolate cake. It's chocolate yumminess with a coconut pecan frosting. We went ahead and bought the cheap jar, so the frosting's already pre-made. So thank you. Father's Day is today. Oh, Father's Day. Father's Day dance. Chicken, chicken, pop, pop. Chicken, chicken, pop. And I'm wearing Father's Day boxers because they're super comfortable. Am I right? Yes. Come on, ladies. All right. First things first. We have our mix here. Okay, it's the powdered chocolate cake mix. We went ahead and pre-cut that for you. OMG. Okay, so go ahead and pour that in the bowl, Noelle. Now, the box says, go ahead and then mix the water and the oil and the eggs in the bowl. It asks for 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. We went ahead and pre-poured that for you. Go ahead, Noelle, pour that in there. Ooh. And let's get the water. It asks for 1 1/4 cup of water beforehand. Okay, let's go ahead and pour the water in there. Let's give a count. Ready? This is
2, 1, the cake.
1. You make a sound? Bloop. 1 egg.
1 egg.
What number is this egg?
2.
2 eggs. What's this number egg?
1.
Oi. 3. 3 eggs. And my alarm went off because I had done some pre-mixing for some cookies for my daddy. My daddy loves homemade cookies, so gifts from the heart, homemade, is always appreciated, right? It's the thought that counts. Don't want to overbake cookies either because they continue to bake on the hot pan. So, yeah, if you leave them in the oven for too long and then pull them out and leave them on the hot pan, they get hard and crunchy like bricks. So that's a little inside tip there for you. Now what? Now we need to grease our pans. Usually I use cake pans, but I'm going to make one for my honey, my husband, and one for my daddy. So we only have 1 box mix, not too much to spread, so we're using just little pie pans. It'll still taste good. It'll work. So first thing you want to do, we just like to go ahead and grease it up so that way your cake does not stick. Ooh, what you got there? Say hi to everybody, Noelle.
Hi, buddy. Forgive me so.
Yeah, yes. What are you going to show them today? Well, you're showing them how to what? Bake what? Also with the cookies, because you will see some future videos of me and baby Noelle making cookies for you guys. When you have them in the oven and say you kind of left them in there for too long, you got, distracted and you're like, oh no, I left them in there for too long and they're still going to be baking on the pan when I pull them out. You could just go ahead and remove the cookies from the hot pan once you pull them out and place them on a cooling rack. That way it kind of like stops the whole cooking process. That way you still end up with like some nice crunchy on the edge, chewy in the middle type of cookie. So I've learned that through all my years of baking. Yep. Okay, again, we have the morning look. This is our morning look. I promise one of these days I will take the time to do my hair and maybe my makeup, but it is what it is, folks. But thank you. We appreciate you watching our show, our cooking video. I have yet to decide what we want to name our baking cooking show. Maybe my little mini chef, like Ratatouille. Little Chef. That's so cute. I love that movie. Okay. So, now that that's all greased up, we're going to... Why am I putting on a glove to pour this? Oh, my goodness. My mind is everywhere. I don't know what I'm doing. Pour it in here, right, Noelle? Give it a little shake, level it out. There's 1. Okay. Here's 2. Let's get our little spatula. Ah! I do have a spatula today, folks. Because I don't like to, oh man.
Oh man.
The bottom of the bowl didn't get mixed very well. Ugh. Oh well, it'll still come out good, I'm sure. Okay, just mix it up a little bit more. Okay. Shake it. Okay. We don't need to mix it anymore. Alright. Okay. So our hands are clean. Let me check on these cookies. Alright. Nice golden brown. Ah! Oh my goodness. Mommy's going crazy here. Alright. Put those in there. So today I have white chocolate macadamia cookie, chocolate chip cookie, peanut butter, butterscotch cookie, and I just put in some oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. Delicious. You like cookies, Noelle?
Peace.
Oh, baby, they're too hot right now. We have to wait for them to cool, right? We don't want to burn our mouth. Okay. So, by the time that second pan of cookies is coming out, we'll be ready to pop in our cake. Alright, let's see. Set the timer for the cookies. Good go. What are we doing over here with the shells? Ew! Ew! Oh no, don't get eggshell in our cake. It's not confetti. She's throwing it around like she's confetti or something. Is it a party or what?
It's a birthday.
Happy birthday! Let's throw egg yolk everywhere. I know in the first video I said I didn't like her touching the eggs because it gets yucky yolk all over her hands. Now look at her. See? When I turn my back for a second, this girl is all over the place. Oh! OMG. Okay. Let's not do that. Alright guys, so we're gonna cut to. We're gonna put a pause here till we're ready to pop these cakes in the oven. And then it does say to leave it in the oven at 350 for about 30-35 minutes. Cupcakes, of course, if you're doing cupcakes, it's going to be a little less because they're small. Again, kind of like the cookies I mentioned about. Smaller, less time. Bigger, more time. Okay, we'll see you in a little bit. Stay tuned. Don't leave us.